In this video, we are going to see how we can enter or exit from the full screen mode in Google Docs. So first of all, if you want to switch to full screen, all you have to do is just click on the view menu and switch to full screen from here. So this is the full screen mode. And if you want to move it to a full page, the browser should be turned to full screen as well. So just click on the three dots and you click on full screen, and then you should be able to see the document all over the place. If you want to exit from the browser, you just swipe up or scroll your mouse up and you should be able to see this cancel button. And now you can see the URL. And if you want to exit from full screen in the Google Docs, just right click and click on exit full screen or press escape, and you should be able to see all the menus and the toolbar returned in Google Docs. So that's how you can full screen the browser window and also the Google Docs by hiding all the toolbars and just by showing a complete full page view. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.